Hi guys, if you want to change Microsoft Outlook to dark mode on Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all open the Outlook settings, and to open the Outlook settings, simply click on the settings icon or go to the view section here and then click on view settings. Now here, click on general and then click on appearance. Now under the appearance settings, you will be able to see all the available modes, light mode, dark mode and system settings. To change Outlook to dark mode, simply select the dark mode here and then click on save. Now let's close the settings window. Now you can see your Microsoft Outlook is in the dark mode now. You can see everything is in the dark mode. When you open any email, you will be able to see everything is in the dark mode. You can see everything is in the dark mode. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily change Microsoft Outlook to dark mode on Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.